Hi guys, what's going on? Today I'm gonna show you something that I made out of the fidget cube. So, link down in the description. I made a video about opening a fidget cube. And now I've built something out of it. Here you go. It's a thumbstick for a Nintendo DS. So, how this works, it's technically just a cross out of wood hot glued onto this thumbstick. So let's see how it works. It's opening up. So you can move it around. You kind of have to press here and here. This one doesn't work too well because I didn't make the stick long enough. So now, if we say Mario Kart, maybe I should come a little more near the camera. Now I can drive. Then I can move around with the thumbstick. And yeah, it works great. Yeah, so that was a little clip of me playing, and it's good. It works. There's just a lot of stuff on here. Right here. So, but otherwise, it's fully functional. You cannot close it. If you want one that closes up, don't use this. But otherwise, this is great. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.